Press numpad 3 to go to right view. Hide the deck. Press Shift A, go to mesh and create a plane. Press R, Y and 90 to rotate the plane. Press Alt Z for X-ray view and scale the plane down. Now move the plane here. Hit tab button to go to edit mode. Select these two vertices and press G and Y to move the edges on the left side. Press 1 for vertices selection and press 2 for edge selections. Now press Ctrl R to insert an edge. Press 1 and select this vertex and move it here. Press 2 and E and extrude this edge. Now press 2 and select this edge and press E and Y to extrude it on the Y axis. Now press 1 and select this vertex and move it here. Press 2 again, select this edge and press E to extrude the edge. Now press 1 and G and move this vertex. Press 2 and select this edge and press E to extrude it. Now press 1 and G and move these vertices. Select these two vertices and press M and choose option Merge at Last. Merge at Last means the first selected vertex will be snapped and merged to the second selected vertex. Now press 2 and select this edge. Press Ctrl B and scroll the mouse wheel to insert 3 edges. This will create a curve here. Now do the same, Merge at Last. Now press 2 again, select this edge and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge. Now press 2 again, select this edge, right click and subdivide the edge. Now select these two vertices and merge at last. You can use knife tool to add more cuts between vertices. Press Ctrl X to dissolve unwanted edges. We have created the basic flat shape of the base plate. Now we will add thickness to the plate. Go to Add Modifier and select Solidify Modifier. Offset will be 0, even thickness, and increase the thickness as per the reference image. Click on the down arrow button and select Apply to apply the modifier into our mesh. Now press 3 to go to polygon selection mode and select these polygons. Press X and delete the faces. Now hold down Alt and Shift key and select these edge loops. Go to right view, press Ctrl B and bevel these edges as per the reference image. Now press Ctrl R to insert an edge loop. Hold down Alt and Shift key and select these edge loops. Press Ctrl X to delete the edge loops. Now press 2, go to right view and press Ctrl B to bevel the edge. Scroll the mouse wheel to increase segments. Press 3 and select these faces and press X to delete them. Now press 2 and hold down Alt and Shift and select these edge loops. Go to right view and press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Now go to perspective view, press 3 and select these polygons. Press X and X to scale it down on the X axis. Now go to edge selection mode by pressing 2. Hold down Alt and Shift and select these edge loops. Go to right view and press G and move the edge loops. Press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Press Alt and select this edge loop and press Ctrl X to delete it. Go to edge selection mode and select this edge loop and press Ctrl B to bevel them. I hope you like these techniques, friends. If yes, then please hit the like button. Hold down Ctrl key and select this edge loop. Go to right view. Press E and Z to extrude it on the Z axis. Go to polygon selection mode by pressing 3 and select these polygons. Press X to delete the faces. Now select these faces. Press Ctrl numpad 7 to go to bottom view. Press Alt E and extrude the polygons along their normals. If you are liking this video and want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading more videos like this for your friends. Now select these polygons. Press X to delete the faces. Select these two edges and bridge them by pressing F. Now select these polygons and press I to insert them. Select these two vertices and press F to bridge them. Press K to add cuts. Press 3 to go to polygon selection mode and select these polygons. Press Alt E and select extrude faces along normals. Delete the unwanted polygons and edges. Now select this polygon and extrude it along its normals. Delete the top polygon. Select this polygon and move it down. Let's look on the other side of the mesh. Press 2 to go to edge selection mode and then select this edge loop. Press E and Z to extrude it on the Z axis. Now select these two vertices and merge them. Press 2 and hold down Alt key and select this edge loop. Press F to fill with the polygon. Press I to insert the polygon. Press X and delete the face. Merge the unwanted vertices. Press 3 and A to select all the polygons. Go to Mesh, Symmetrize, and in the direction option, select the Z direction. Select all the corner edge loops and press Ctrl B to bevel them. Friends, the base plate is ready. Now we are going to create riser for the base plate. Select the edge loop, press Shift D and Z and right click to duplicate the edge loop. Now press P to separate the duplicate edge loop from the mesh and to make it another object. Now select the new object, hit tab button to go to edit mode. Press A to select all the edges and press F to fill the edges with the polygon. Now go to object mode and press G and Z to move the plane up. Now go to edit mode and join the vertices. Select any two vertices and press J to join them. We can work on one side only and mirror to the other side by using symmetry option. After worked on one side, press 3 and A to select all the polygons. Go to Mesh, Symmetrize and choose the symmetry option. Go to object mode and then go to add modifier and select solidify. In the solidify option, reduce the offset value to 0, even thickness and increase the thickness value. Apply the modifier by going to the down arrow sign. Now go to the object, set origin to geometry, and scale the riser. Isolate the selection by pressing Shift H, go to edit mode, press Shift Z to go to X-ray view. Now press 3 and select all the bottom polygons and move it down. Now let's rename the objects we created in this video. Press F2 and type a new name. Thanks for watching the second part till the end. I hope you are learning many Blender modeling tools and techniques from this series. If yes, then please hit the like button and share your valuable feedback in the comment box.